All right, folks, got another Nubeo for you guys. Getting close to the holiday season, you're going to see a lot of great pricing. Starting with this one today, this is on sale for $300, and I think you can slap a coupon code on that as well. This is Nubeo's Manta. A newer release. I've reviewed several Mantas on this channel. I have several in my collection. I don't know how many, but a couple come to mind. The black with the yellow face. I think I have a copper colored one. I think I have a blue version, kind of like a blue label. And then this, they just released. And so what they've done, all Nubeo watches are limited edition. And so sometimes they will re-release a model they've already made before, right? Because they typically sell out. These are only available in 100 units. So 100 units per color. It's available in 4 different colors. You get the green, the black, the kind of brick red, and this one I think is my favorite color. This kind of reminds me of my Sea Hunter that I never wear. It's got the white strap with the blue case. Very cool. And what I like about this too is they did a redesigned bezel on this. Let me show you what they've done if you're familiar with the Manta. On this, they've done some sort of like something that Invicta does on some of their watches. They put this, if you can see this, it's almost like a hollowed out tube on the inside. Hard to describe. It almost looks like, I've seen almost, you know, like a Chinese finger puppet. It looks like that, like wrapped around into the bezel. I think they're, you know, kind of taking a little design aspects, kind of doing things that are a little outside the box, like Invicta does. Pretty cool. I think this watch is very like summery. Anytime you have blue and white, I always kind of associate this with like being on a boat or something. It's a very cool watch. It's a big watch, and I think if you're looking for something very blue and white, this is obviously a great watch for you. It may not come across in the video kind of what I'm trying to explain here with this sort of detail inside this skeletonized bezel. So click the link in the description and check out the pictures. You can definitely see it on their site. The Manta has never been, I think, a watch that, you know, like I said, I have several of these on bracelet, and it's never been a watch that I, you know, go crazy for, but sometimes all it takes is, you know, a specific color, and I absolutely love this one. I think the other ones are nice too, but this one here, I think they're definitely going to sell out first. It really has a very loud, flashy, although it's not like, you know, polished, doesn't have stones on or anything like that. It definitely has a very noticeable wrist presence, and I absolutely love it. They did the exhibition window. I like that they didn't do any kind of, you know, anything to kind of like clutter it up. They just have a clear window showing off the decorated Nubeo rotor on that. It's just a very chunky, beefy wristwatch. Bezel feels great on it. No like back play, no side play. I mean, fantastic bezel. And I just mentioned that because some folks, you know, if you watch the channel and you kind of stumble onto my videos, I have to kind of always take in consideration, maybe you're new, right? And you just started looking at watches. And so a lot of times I never really think it's necessary, me personally mentioning, like, so sometimes when I'm doing these videos, I'm like, you don't need to mention fit and finishing. You don't need to mention this and that. But a lot of people just maybe not have the experience with the watches and think that you have to spend thousands of dollars to get great quality. And nowadays, there's so much great quality coming out of affordable watch brands that it's almost like just the norm, you know? So very cool watch. I did sort of like this, I don't know if this is silicone. We'll get to the specification in a second, but there is sort of like this lifted kind of almost like a wave pattern on here. They did sort of like this, sort of like a wave pattern also on these kind of keepers. Typical Nubeo buckle on this, and I like that they did. This is kind of different. They kind of angle cut like a 45 with rounded edges, sort of like the end of the strap. Very robust watch. Very colorful, and that's, you know, that's to be a lot. That can really be said about a lot of the Nubeo watches. So here's what it said: 100 pieces. Limited edition, right? 100 pieces per variant, a bold exploration of the ocean's power and elegance. The Manta combines precision engineering with distinct steel chain bezel. Steel chain bezel. I meant to say that. Steel chain bezel. That's kind of what I can see what they mean by that, but to me it looks more like it's got kind of like that interlacing lattice pattern like a Chinese finger puppet does. 38 times of water resistance, powered by a Japanese automatic movement, and it's built for serious diving and everyday boldness. Specifications on this, they don't list the movement. Let me just scroll down to make sure they don't list it somewhere else. No, they don't. And that's something that always annoys me with this brand and lots of the Dartmouth brands, is that they really should put the movement. Based on what I can see in this, the way the rotor spins, I'd say this is probably a Miyota movement. They typically use respected, decent movements in their watches. I just don't know why they don't mention it. It's such an easy thing to add to their site. You know, it's not like they're using, let's say they're using like some really off-the-shelf, like generic no-name brand movement, just, and nothing wrong with that, but maybe they just, maybe a brand would want to maybe kind of hide that because they don't have a brand name. But I'm 99% certain this is probably a Miyota in here, and I think the writing on it is so small, I really can't make it out. It just says automatic, and then it says something else, but my experience, this seems like a Miyota, but again, don't quote me on that. Don't buy it based on that. If you need to know before making a purchase, let me know and I will get you the information. But great looking watch. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit on, you can kind of see that chain-like material. Has kind of a nice dished face on it. This over here, I don't think this is a helium release valve. I think this is just kind of decorative, because normally helium release valves, like, there is some sort of like gap in there for them to release the helium. So I'm thinking that's more of just like a cosmetic kind of thing. Branded rotor, branded crown on this, a little branding on this Nubeo logo. They do that on the kind of the lug caps here as well. I believe this is just a friction pin. These are not actually, these are like really faux. These are not actually like a screw that holds the band on. And then the strap on here is 22mm white silicone, 30 ATMs water resistance, 200 grams of weight. It does have a sapphire coated lens. Anti-reflective coated sapphire lens. And obviously dial color blue. Lug to lug 60mm. It's a big watch. 21mm thick. This is not for the faint of heart. And it definitely has a curved crystal on it. Beautiful watch. Absolutely love these. And that's to be said with really all the Nubeo watches. They are really cool. So let's throw on the wrist here, see what it looks like. You guys can get an idea what it looks like on a guy my size, my height, my weight. I'm 5'8", 180 pounds, and I got a 7-inch wrist, so just, super flashy. Definitely going to get noticed, and I absolutely love what they did with this. This is a great addition to my collection, and one that I will definitely enjoy wearing. So as always, links in the description, folks. And as always, so is the other video. I'm doing 2 videos per product now, or per watch. The standard format and then the up close and personal format. So you guys can really see what the watch looks like just strictly under macro lens, under better lighting, and get an idea of just how beautiful these creations are. And that just might make you add one to your collection. So as always, links are in the description in the comment section. If I can help in a way, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and take care.